वेलकम टू बलूच स्कॉलरशिप कॉर्नर। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल का बटन दबाएं ताकि हर आने वाला स्कॉलरशिप का इंफॉर्मेशन आप लोगों को आसानी से हासिल हो सके। जो इसी तरह आप लोगों के लिए मैं हर आने वाला नया स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन बनाता रहूँगा, आप लोगों को उसका नोटिफिकेशन आसानी से हासिल हो सके। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ स्कॉलरशिप। Today I am going to tell you that Doha Institute for Graduate Studies Scholarship in Qatar 2021 fully funded. So you must apply. It's a golden opportunity for you guys. You must apply. I will provide each and everything information and the link of scholarship and description, and the official link of scholarship I will also provide it in the description of video. So you can read it that what is Doha Institute and it's the history of this institute. Doha Institute for Graduate Studies Qatar Scholarship. No IELTS and TOEFL required for the scholarship. This is here. All students from around the world are eligible to apply for master scholarship in Qatar, Doha. So you must try your luck. Doha Institute for Graduate Studies Scholarship in Qatar 2020 details. That University Doha Institute for Graduate Studies Qatar course level master degree eligible countries all nationalities. Financial coverage fully funded. Deadline 15th February 2021. Financial benefits. Doha Institute for Graduate Studies Scholarship is a full free scholarship. The scholarship type are given below. These are the type of scholarship. Tamim scholarship. This scholarship dedicated to the Qatari and international student in the Arab world. Full tuition fee, free accommodation, monthly spend, health insurance, round air tickets, foreign sponsorship. This is also foreign sponsorship and Sendon scholarship. The scholarship for international student for Qatar residents benefit and Sands scholarship in Qatar are listed below. Full tuition fee, free accommodation, monthly spend, health insurance, round air ticket, travel. That list of school and department. What are the department that offering a scholarship? A School of Social Science and Humanities, a School of Public Administration and Development Economics, Center of Conflict and Humanitarian Studies. Requirement documents. What are the documents required for this scholarship? Which documents you need to submit for this scholarship? A bachelor degree, transcript, 2 recommendation letter. The recommendation letter also I already told previous video that recommendation letter are those you can take it from your previous institute by a professor and assistant professor. Submit English test or English proficiency. If your native language is not in English, so you must submit the test of IELTS and TOEFL. If you don't have IELTS and TOEFL test record, then you can also submit English proficiency. That you can also get the English proficiency from your previous institute. A personal statement, academic essay. You should write an academic essay for this scholarship. Updated curriculum vitae CV, full updated CV you should submit. Eligibility criteria. The following eligibility criteria will be considered for Doha Institute scholarship. International student can apply. Qatari residents are also eligible. Student must have a bachelor degree. Student and therefore BA final year are eligible to apply for this admission. No specific age requirement. How to apply? I will provide this link, and also I will provide the official link how to apply. You need to create a portal account, then you have to submit your all document which they require. Create an account of the application portal. You have to apply online. Submit all the documents online and fill application form completely. To apply for this is the official link. I will select the official link. Let's check it out, the official link. This is the official link. I will also give this link in the video description. You should apply and read this steps following step by step. Submit your all documents here. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel, click bell icon button to get notification updated about scholarship always.